Welcome back to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today I'm going to show you how to make passion for days. If you've ever asked your bartender for something sweet, fruity, and exotic, you already know what's great about this drink. Don't forget, guys, to click and subscribe down at the bottom. Don't forget to like all our videos and stick your comments in there. We read all your comments. Okay, so we're gonna make the Passion for Days drink. Super simple drink. All we gotta do is build this.
I'm gonna make this one and you're gonna help me out.
Okay.
Yeah. I want you to squeeze some lime juice for me.
Okay.
We have limes and a citrus press. Cheapest ingredients, we have mango juice. We're gonna build this drink straight into the glass since we have so few ingredients.
Nice.
50 mils of mango juice.
Okay, we got some juice.
20 ml each for each drink.
There's 20. And another 20.
Nice.
Thank you.
And to the most important ingredient, Absolut Passionfruit. We're gonna add 30 mils in each glass.
Perfect.
What do you think?
Already smelling good.
Nice.
Super exotic.
So let's fill this one up with ice.
It's looking good.
And maybe you can top it up with some lemonade.
So we've got some clear white lemonade right here. If you don't have lemonade, you can always use like a lemon lime soda.
We're gonna add some garnish to this cocktail, so we're gonna make a lime wheel. So cut the side off.
I want to make it a little bit fancier, and I know we've got some pineapple leaves
Go
at the back.
ahead.
Sweet.
Some beautiful lime wheels.
Just because these are quite long, we don't want to poke people's eyes out when they drink it, right?
No, we don't.
So I'm just going to cut the whites off, that little white end there, and that makes it a little bit more easy to get in. I think we should stick it in and then put the wheel in front of it. And don't forget, the only reason why we do stuff like this is just to make it look pretty.
Yeah. Should we try it?
Let's go for it, Bruce. Yep. That's super nice.
I love the tropic fruits from the mango and the passion fruit. Works very well together with the lemonade.
And mango juice is usually quite thick. And that lemonade really just cuts through it, just to make it a little bit thinner and not as thick in the mouth. When would you like to drink this?
Hot summer day.
Hot summer day?
Yeah.
It's a poolside drink, guys. It's a poolside drink, guys. Hedda, thank you for this poolside fantastic drink.
Thank you.
Passion for days.
Skål.